Ever wished you had a magic wand to make your travels smoother and more exciting? Get ready to discover 12 game-changing travel gadgets that will transform your adventures from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a globe-trotting explorer, these innovative tools are designed to solve everyday travel hassles and elevate your journey. Don't miss out. Watch till the end to uncover the ultimate must-haves for your next adventure. Meet your new travel buddy, the men's non-slip work shoes. Perfect for all you travelers and campers out there. Easy wear, zero hassle. Waterproof? Absolutely. Keep your feet dry and comfy, no matter the weather. These slip-on, water-resistant wonders are perfect for any explorer on the go. Oil and slip-resistant soles. Tackle any terrain with confidence, rain or shine. These shoes grip like a pro. Shock-absorbing and ready for action. Comfortable and durable for every adventure. Ready for anything, just like you. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just exploring, these shoes are up for the challenge. Tired of shaky footage ruining your epic adventures? Use this DJI Osmo mobile phone gimbal. Say goodbye to shaky shots and hello to smooth 3-axis stabilization. Perfect for capturing those breathtaking moments. Portable and foldable, this gimbal is your go-anywhere vlogging stabilizer. Fits in any bag, ready for any adventure. Compatible with both Android and iPhone, it's the ultimate tool for YouTube and TikTok videos. With object active tracking, keep your subject in frame and let the gimbal do the hard work. Frame your shot with ease using the remote control watch. Perfect for those solo travel vlogs. Need a wider shot? The built-in extension rod has got you covered for those epic group selfies and high-angle shots. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just exploring, the DJI Osmo mobile phone gimbal makes every shot cinematic and smooth. The portable camping shower. Easy to install with a portable shower pump and a handy Type-C charging port. Set up in seconds. A threaded spout and an intelligent digital display to keep track of water temperature. Just submerge the power unit in water and you're good to go. It's that simple. Secure it anywhere with the bottom suction cup design for a hassle-free experience. Choose from 3 amazing shower modes, mix mode, rainfall mode, and spray mode for the perfect rinse. Pamper yourself with the scalp care massage brush. Perfect for relaxing after a long hike. Powerful cleaning mode for when you need a thorough clean. With a 6,000 mAh battery, enjoy up to 150 hours of shower time. That's right, 150 hours. Easy to use outdoors, anytime, anywhere. Stay fresh on all your adventures. Looking for the perfect companion for your mini adventures? Introducing the ultimate hiking backpack. Lightweight and easy to carry, this backpack is designed for your convenience. With a durable double zipper, your gear stays secure and accessible. Breathable mesh straps ensure maximum comfort, even on long hikes. Water-resistant to keep your belongings safe and dry, no matter the weather. Perfect for one-day hiking, biking, traveling, camping, work, and even shopping. Stay powered up on your journeys with the Solar Powerbank wireless charger, your ultimate outdoor companion. With a massive 45,800 mAh capacity. 4 built-in cables and 5 ports let you charge 7 devices at once. No more juggling chargers. Great outdoor partner, easily hang it on your backpack and let the sun do the work. Stay on track with the built-in compass guide, perfect for your wilderness adventures. Enjoy the convenience of QI wireless charging. Simply place your device and power up. IPX4 water resistance and high-quality materials make it durable in any weather. 2 powerful flashlights with 3 modes, bright, dim, and SOS, ready for any situation. Whether you're hiking, camping, or traveling, this Solar Powerbank wireless charger has you covered. The Travel Coffee Maker, the Nano Portable Electric Espresso Machine. Start your day right with fast self-heating and one-touch operation. Fresh coffee anytime, anywhere. With premium 7,500 mAh battery capacity, this coffee maker is perfect for camping, hiking, or road trips. Coffee maker self-heating with USB-C and 12-volt. Enjoy your favorite brew on the go. Compatible with both ground coffee and NS capsules, it's versatile for all your coffee needs. Whether you're on a hike or at the office, this travel coffee maker has you covered. Stay cool and powered up with the rechargeable solar camping fan, your perfect outdoor companion. Enjoy up to 58 hours of cooling with this long-lasting fan. No more sweaty nights in the tent. Charge it up easily with a 5V2A USB outlet or let the sun do the work with solar sunlight charging. With a 20,000 mAh power bank, keep all your devices powered up while you're off the grid. The fan comes with a bright white LED light to illuminate your campsite. And for those unexpected situations, it features an emergency SOS light in blue and red. Enjoy a peaceful night with its ultra-quiet operation. Stay cool and undisturbed. Whether you're camping, hiking, or traveling, the rechargeable solar camping fan is the perfect addition to your gear. Struggling with packing all your essentials? Meet your space-saving solution, vacuum storage bags. Save up to 80% storage space. Just vacuum the air out in seconds. Perfect for travel, these space-saver bags make packing a breeze. With 20 packs, double zipper seals, and a triple seal turbo valve, your belongings stay secure and compact. Works with any standard vacuum cleaner, and a hand pump is included for convenience on the go. From camping to traveling, these bags make it easy to pack more with less space. Elevate your content with the Mabesta wireless lavalier microphone. Plug and play with ease. This mini clip-on microphone is ideal for video recording on TikTok, YouTube, podcasts, and interviews. Experience crystal clear sound with 360-degree omnidirectional pickup, capturing every word perfectly. Perfect for outdoor use, this mic ensures top-notch audio wherever your adventures take you. Charge your device while recording and keep going without interruptions. The microphone itself charges via USB-C. Record 2 people at once. The Mabesta mic supports dual connections. Whether you're interviewing, vlogging, or just capturing your journey, this microphone delivers professional quality sound. Meet your ultimate hydration companion, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Lightweight at just 2 ounces, this filter is perfect for hiking, camping, and traveling. Drink safely from rivers, dams, wells, and lakes with ease. The LifeStraw lets you stay hydrated anywhere. Featuring a microfiltration membrane, it removes bacteria and parasites, ensuring clean water. It lasts up to 1,000 gallons, making it a reliable choice for any adventure. Perfect for hiking, camping, travel, and emergency preparedness, it's your go-to solution for safe drinking water. Power up your outdoor experiences with the portable power station, your ultimate energy solution. Featuring a 300-watt portable power station with a foldable 60-watt solar panel included, this setup is perfect for any adventure. Enough to charge smartphone, tablets, laptops, headphones, or other outdoor small camping supplies. Solar recharge with no limits. Harness the power of the sun and stay energized wherever you go. Don't forget the built-in SOS flashlight, an essential tool for safety during nighttime adventures. Ideal for tent camping, outdoor work, hiking trails, and RV life, it's the wise choice for all your camping accessories. This all-in-one stainless steel camping tool features an axe, saw, file, knife, hammer, can and bottle openers, plus an assortment of the most commonly used screwdrivers. Perfect for setting up camp and handling tough tasks. Compact and easy to carry, it fits perfectly in your backpack for any adventure. Whether you're camping, backpacking, fishing, or need a reliable toolkit for your car, this multi-tool is your go-to solution.